as you can see there, I'm making a little bit of progress. Now what I've done is I've gone from a 16mm, I'm going to do 2 more 16mm, and then these are either going to be 12 or 14. Now as you can see there, I've got my main 3 holes actually drilled. And like I said, I'm just going for a slightly smaller diameter just so, I don't know, just make it look a little bit different. And there we go. That's all my holes drilled. When I get this mounted behind, you'll actually be able to see the look that I'm going for. So I'll get my mesh cut and I'll tidy the table up first, and then I'll show you where we go from there then, guys. Now, the idea with this mesh is that fine and flexible, you can just cut it with normal kitchen scissors. You'll probably cut it with nail scissors, to be fair. Now, the only thing I'm going to do here is just get a rough idea of how much I'm going to be wanting. Rule of thumb, use your thumb. So we're looking about here-ish. And we don't need to be perfectly straight, because it's going on inside the panel anyway, so nobody else is going to see it apart from me. Obviously I'm going to trim this down a little bit, but you can see the idea that I'm actually going for. And there you go, there's my little strip cut, nice and neat, nice and tidy. All the thing I'm going to do here is just hot glue this in and bond it into the back. But before I'm doing that, what I'm going to do is put pressure on from behind here. And all the thing it's going to do with that, by me putting pressure on outside, is actually stretch this little brass gauze, just so it gives you a little beveled edge. So it ain't just perfectly flat. It should have a little beveled edge anyway. Yeah. I think it's going to be bonded. Basically, you're just sticking your finger in it, or in this case, my thumb. What I'm doing is just putting a couple of tabs in. Like that. Just to get the first secure hold. And you can always go around and do it all again until you'll see fit that it's secure. Now you'll have to watch that glue because it does get really warm. But like I said, that's just first actual tack. And you can go around edges as you'll see fit. If you want to go all the way around, you can do. But once that's dry, once it's cooled down, once it's hardened, which it basically nearly has already, it's not the best glue gun in the world what I've got, but it looks straight. So there you go, that's first tack. Now I'm just going to seal it all off, and then I'll show you the finished product and we'll have a look at your own bike. There's the finished product, guys. I think it looks quite well. Matching with my little gold stripe, and like I said, safe as houses. That's not going anywhere. The advantage we can have that little bit more induction raw. Right, I'll put it on bike and take some pictures. Okay, see you later. See you there.